In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add geometric shapes into Google Sheets. If you want to add a bit of visual flair to your data, guide attention to key numbers, or sketch out a simple flowchart, shapes are a quick and flexible way to do it right inside your spreadsheet. Start by opening your Google Sheet, then go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Drawing. This brings up a simple editor in a new window or panel. Think of it as a small canvas where you can build and polish your shape before placing it on the sheet. You'll see a compact toolbar with options for shapes, colors, borders, and text formatting. Click the shape icon in that toolbar and pick what you need, maybe a square or rectangle for a callout, a circle to spotlight a number, or an arrow to show direction. Click and drag on the canvas to draw it. Once it's there, you can customize it to match your sheet's look. Use the Fill Color tool to pick a background color and the Border tools to adjust the outline color and thickness. If you want to label the shape, just double-click inside it and start typing. You can then tweak the text size, color, and alignment using the same toolbar, so your label stays readable and polished. Take a moment to adjust the proportions and layout until it looks right. When you're happy, click Save and Close. That finishes the drawing and places it directly onto your spreadsheet. Your shape is now on the sheet as a movable object that sits above the cells. You can click and drag it anywhere to position it next to a chart or over a key section of data. To resize, drag the blue handles on the edges or corners. Use the corners to keep the shape balanced. If you want to refine colors, borders, or text later, click the three dots that appear near the shape and choose the option to edit it again. That reopens the same drawing editor you used before, preserving all your previous formatting. Shapes work great as simple buttons, visual labels, or colored highlights that draw the eye to important ranges. Because they float over cells, they won't change your formulas or cell contents underneath. With just a few clicks, you can make your spreadsheet easier to read and much more engaging.